Kia has officially introduced its first-ever pickup truck, the TASMAN, marking a bold move into the global pickup market. After months of teasers, the TASMAN is now set to launch in select regions, including South Korea, Australia, the Middle East, and Africa. Notably, it won't be available in North America, but Kia aims to attract a diverse range of buyers elsewhere with its practical features and adaptability for both personal and commercial use. As a midsize truck, the TASMAN is designed to compete with industry leaders like the Ford Ranger, with options to suit various needs. Buyers can choose from a single cab and double cab setup or opt for a chassis cab that allows extensive customization. A versatile choice for business owners seeking a tailor-made work vehicle. Distinctive exterior design with versatile options. The TASMAN's exterior brings a fresh look to the midsize truck market with its quirky, standout design. One of its defining features is the unique body cladding along the wheel arches, resembling a mustache, which gives it a distinctive appearance. For a more traditional look, Kia also offers an option that includes a complete black trim surrounding the arches. The front end boasts a bold style with vertical headlights at the edges, framing Kia's prominent badge on a muscular hood, lending the truck an assertive presence. Unlike Kia's well-known SUVs, the TASMAN doesn't follow the design language of the Telluride. Instead, it's built on a body-on-frame platform, providing the strength and durability essential for rugged, off-road-ready vehicles. This construction sets it apart from unibody models like the Ford Maverick or Honda Ridgeline, aligning it more closely with adventure-focused trucks. Refined interior with advanced technology. Inside, Kia has embraced a modern yet functional design, blending car-like comfort with practical features. The cabin hosts 3 digital displays, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 5-inch information display, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen for infotainment. While the interior offers high-tech features, Kia has retained physical controls for essential functions, allowing quick, easy access while driving. Additional features enhance the TASMAN's off-road capabilities, including a locking differential button and a switch for low-range mode. These touches make it clear that the TASMAN is built to tackle challenging terrains while keeping driver comfort in mind. Regional engine variants and impressive capabilities. Kia has tailored the TASMAN's engine options to suit different regional markets. In South Korea, the truck will be available with a 2.5-liter gasoline engine that produces 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This engine powers the TASMAN to reach 62 miles per hour in just 8.5 seconds and boasts a top speed of 115 miles per hour. In Australia, a 2.2-liter turbodiesel engine variant will deliver 207 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, ideal for those requiring strong pulling power. With a towing capacity of up to 7,716 pounds and a spacious cargo bed holding 41.4 cubic feet, the TASMAN is ready for both work and leisure activities. The truck suspension is designed for rough terrains, featuring a double wishbone front suspension and a rigid rear axle with leaf springs. Moreover, with drive modes like desert, mud, snow, and rock, plus waterfording capability up to 31.5 inches, the TASMAN is well equipped for various challenging environments. Anticipated launch and future rollout. Kia plans to launch the TASMAN in South Korea in early 2025, with further rollouts across Australia, the Middle East, and Africa. With its versatile configurations, rugged capabilities, and advanced features, the TASMAN promises to be a competitive new entry in Kia's lineup, aiming to meet the demands of mid-size truck buyers around the world.